All right, it's 46 degrees right now in the morning, which is cold for us in Southern California. But I have to wake up early before I go to work. And the reason why I have to do this is because I gotta take it to the dealer. But Toyota has sent this letter out saying, hey, there's some HVAC fan problems. And if you contact us, we will cover your HVAC fan. That's what I'm going to get done, and hopefully get a couple other things done as well. Truck has 27,000 miles or so. So there's a maintenance warranty, I believe, to 25,000. Doesn't include oil changes at 25,000. It's only every 10,000. So I think we talked about it before. Oil changes are only covered between 10 and 20,000 intervals. The rest are just inspections. But I'm gonna take it in to this one dealer and see what they can do. Then I gotta go to work. So let's take care of this, hopefully. Toyota's right there, huh? This is a big dealership. There's parts. Look how big that thing is. I heard it's big as a football field here. I wonder if anyone ever throws a football. Oh, what's happening here, man? What did I do? Dude, what did I do? What did I do, officer?
YouTube audit.
YouTube audit? It's one of my fans.
How's it going, guys?
So guys, did I fool you on that stop? Deputy Gomez is actually a taco owner and wanted to meet me. So I want to say thanks, Deputy Gomez, for helping out with the community and being a taco member and also being a YouTube subscriber. I appreciate that, Deputy Gomez. All right, so what happened at the dealership? Did I get everything fixed? The answer is no, and this is why. The initial reason I went to go to the dealer was the HVAC AC fan, and that was taken care of, no problem. The second issue was the creaking clutch. They couldn't duplicate it, and I understand. It doesn't happen as much, and it's been harder for me to duplicate it as well. I just wanted to log it in the system, so if my warranty is over, I'm going to look for some goodwill to get things taken care of. And if you don't know what goodwill means, goodwill is when there's a situation that you're out of warranty, you're requesting something to be covered for no charge or goodwill. So that's what that means. The third thing I went in for was the surging issue that I had at idle and to get the ECU updated. So the answer is yes, I got that updated. I want to say thanks again. A lot of manual owners have had issues trying to get updates. The last thing is my issue prior, mentioning that it looks like my rear differential cover was leaking. And they did verify that it's leaking as I thought. They're ordering a rear differential kit for that. So I will have to come back, but that's okay. You know, it's just part of what we got to do. So I want to say thanks again for liking and subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate all the support and positive feedback you guys have given to me. It was really a fun day to actually meet several people at the dealership. There's actually a Tacoma owner that's a salesperson there that I met a while back, and we said hi and we chit-chatted. So that was pretty cool. Toyota community has just been great. It was a pleasure to meet Deputy Gomez again, and thanks again for lighting me up and doing that little skit for me. So again, peace out, guys. See you soon.